I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow, perceive, devote.
Hi guys, welcome back to Zuri Chats, the show that brings you the best discoveries in the world of lifestyle. It's a Saturday. We are heading out to Samburu, where we're going to be staying the night. Hopefully we'll not sleep, but if we decide to, we also will be having tents. Those of you that have not subscribed to our channel, please do not forget to do so. Hit the notification button so that you're notified every other time we have a new video out. I'm at the shopping center here in Meru called Sayan. We're waiting for the others. It's a group of us, just about 12 people, and we will be proceeding together. We have a Land Cruiser over there. So that's going to be a transport for our trip to Samburu. We have a few people in there. It's spacious enough. This is our market center right here. It's called Sayan. It's not so big, but hey. Welcome to Meru once again. Everybody that's been supporting, watching our videos, and just basically sharing them, commenting, everything that you've done to just keep us going. We'd like to take this chance to appreciate you. So catch you later.
Okay, shall be on YouTube.
You shall be on YouTube.
Now subscribe.
Hi girls. Hi.
Ndio tunakulaga ndio mambo yote kwetu hapa.
Sasa hiyo inaitwa, hebu inua kidogo, shika vizuri.
Asili, mira ya asili inatoka Karama.
Oh, asili. Na sasa hiyo bunch tunauza pesa ngapi?
Hiyo hivi tunauza na shilingi 700 bei ya mwisho.
700 Kenya shillings.
Kwa mwananchi wa kawaida.
Okay. Ti mwananchi wa kawaida. Kwani kuna mwingine?
Ule mwenye ambaye tunasema hata kwa mgeni kukuja area, unaweza mzi hata na elfu. Na sisi ndo tunalima. Tunaletewa sisi mabroka tu.
Okay.
Hiyo 700 tunapata 300. Tunapata 300 tunapatia mwenyewe 400.
Okay. Karamani wapi?
Karamani hapa Meru Itigani.
Okay. So ni ile very good quality. Hizi ndizo mnatuma Nairobi?
Nairobi lakini inalingana. Lakini hapa sisi tunakula fresh, manake hapa ni karibu.
Okay.
Lakini kabla gari za Nairobi pakiwe.
Okay.
Inachelewa.
Poa.
Inafika iko imechelewa. Ama imechomeka. Kidogo bro.
Asante.
Lete basi ngoja tre. Nimaliza. Lete basi tuachie kinyano tuachie. Angalia tu mama tupate hata ya chai yake.
Asante. Mnaitwa nani?
Mimi kwa majina ama? Yangu. Mimi naitwa Sadam.
Sadam na?
Mimi Osama.
Asante sana.
Kabisa.
Nataka bibi.
Nataka na mama wengine fulani alafu nakuja.
It's the same road we're walking down, same job, same town, 'cause we've been told that's the way our world goes round. Walking on the grounds we've always known, stepping on the footprints in the snow, but when it melts the other ways will show. We're gonna make the footsteps on our own. That life can wait just for a while. That life can wait. So take that aside and just go on.
So we are here. We just got here. And yeah, it looks nice. I've not been here before, but you say you have been, eh?
It's a nice thing.
Yeah.
This drive is purely. This is just fun.
Yeah.
What a stranger. Let's go.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Awesome. We're also going to be swimming in the springs, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
A story about the springs. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
The first one was a bomb.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Then, in the natural.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we are going to show you pictures of that.
It's a nice.
There's lots of us. Lots of us. I'm going to show you all of us. Hey!
Hello.
Hello! Hi, Nelly. Hi! She's the host for the day. She's done a great job organizing this, so kudos.
How ask me for your chips?
We're looking forward to the new year one. I was telling her I will personally not miss
sleep
out.
in the house.
I'm not sleeping in the house on the 31st. So kazi kwako. And then we have these two, the only gentlemen we have with us. Hi.
Hi.
How are you? You've been here before?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So it seems like I'm the only one who's here for the first time.
Wow, yeah, he's so lucky. The only gentleman around.
Yes,
Wow.
yes. So this is gonna be a good treat. Yeah. Awesome. So that's our transport. We have one more car that I came with. We have 3 others on the way. They're gonna be joining us in a bit. But this place is so beautiful. Everyone is just trying to get pictures and more pictures. Yeah, so just gonna give them time to do that, and then we will catch you guys after some time. The car coming my way, so I have to stop this. Oh, what is this? Yeah, so we are here already, and we have a lot of other people joining us, so this is gonna be quite a bit of fun. We are going to sleep in tents, which is actually gonna be my very first experience. So I'm kind of freaked out about how the night is gonna go. I think I'm just gonna be on alert the full time. I look forward to what the evening has for us. We expected to go for a game drive immediately we got here, but we were told that we're not going to see so much of the wild right now. So we decided to just swim, chill, and as the cooking goes on, then from around 3 p.m. that's when the animals or the wild is out, and we're going to really get to explore. And, let's have fun. Kingdom Animalia. Class Gazelle. This is a bathroom. I'll show you how it looks like. You just pull that and then you shower. It's pretty new, so they haven't put concrete on the ground, but still comfortable, and they provide soap. So you only just zip it up and you're good to go. This is another bathroom with concrete. Same design. Place to just wash your hands. And then this is a toilet. I'll show you how it looks inside. I like this concept. In essence, it's a pit latrine. It has the place for you to sit and do your stuff. Pretty much, yeah. That's one of the other manyatas that visitors are staying at. Hi guys, good morning. I slept in this looks really nice. I'm just trying to show how it looks. The open part. My roommates already stepped out. Beddings are provided, and we had a lovely night. We will be checking out at around 11 o'clock. I'll show you the outside in a bit. We've had a lot of fun. Lots of fun. Hey guys, I'm going down this very steep steps. I wanted to take a very clear shot of the restaurant above. Just look at this. Okay, I was saying I'm trying to get there, but then I'm not so sure I'm gonna make it. So let's see how far I'm gonna go. I wanted to show you guys this fridge. Very nice. I'm gonna open it Let's see what's inside. Wow, I think I'm lost, but we are leaving this place. It's been a wonderful time. We should have left at around 11 in the morning, but decided to stay on and continue having some fun. Now we're going to get stuff from our tent and then we leave. I have felt relaxed and ultimately I kept feeling like I need to stay another night, which means it's a good place, right? It's been fun, and for those that will be planning to come back here, I can promise you, you're going to have a wonderful time. Thanks for watching this video. Stay happy, keep smiling. Bye.
I gave you my heart.